Cast iron, as we know, is a type of ferrous alloy having more than 2% carbon, 1 to 3% silicon and manganese, and a small amount of sulfur and phosphorus. How to identify cast iron type? 1. By visual inspection: dirty, dark gray appearance for gray and SG cast iron, white cast iron, whitish color. 2. By spark test: refer below picture to identify cast iron based on type of spark. Spark test for cast iron identification is widely used and easy to make in the workshop. Stick welding, SMAW, so far the widely used welding method for repair and welding cast iron. Today, welding of cast iron is carried out using stick welding, SMAW, TIG, GMA and FCA, and by brazing. Stick welding or small welding of cast irons is done using nickel 99 or NeCl and nickel 55 or any CL welding rods. When making cast iron brazing, make sure to give enough flux for each rod dip. This is an important element that bring the brazing cleanliness and ensure the bonding between the cast iron and brazing molten metal. Cast iron with having lead content, you can identify if the cast iron changes color to greenish due to heating. It is beneficial to preheat before welding. You can also use JB Weld to repair cast iron as cold welding method.